So Tesla was basically just a scalp. It was not really any crazy trade because it didn't hold up and it gave up. So setup on Tesla was this area. That was a flag breakout. But I did see strength on Tesla in the morning because it was a defined risk. When I saw this candle pushing over, that's when I said it's confirmed long versus 340 area, or you could put your stops under 339. And then we started to push and we went into consolidation. We went into this nice little consolidation. But then Tesla made a breakout. This was the breakout. And then it pushed over the MTFs. Then it pushed towards 347. So it was not a bad trade from 342s to 346s, $4-5, 70% on some of the lottos. So that was it for Tesla. It was just a base hit play. Once it's kind of chopping right here. I mean, it's a tight action. You can't really do much there. You just put your stops and let it see. And you buy close to the clouds. You buy on these dips and your stops is right under either this 338s, or you can have your stops as it starts to push, makes higher lows, you can move your stops up. And once it broke out of this flag, was a nice push to 347. You do not add here. You add in this consolidation. Yes, maybe you can add a little bit here on 344, 345 breakout that I mentioned. Then we push to 347, you take most off, and once it breaks down, you just get out. So Amazon was one of the best plays today in the community. There was a lot of flow coming on Amazon all day long, and it did break 512s for a bit, but then it reclaimed, and that was our 512 curls, and then it continued to push. I did tell everyone if they want to hold it, they can swing it. But this was what it was about, the flow. So we have our flow scanner. This is a gold scanner that we have in the community. Since morning, we were seeing this flow come in. That gives you a little added confidence to trade these long setups. These plays are dependent on the market. Market didn't really do much all day. Semiconductors were selling off, but Amazon was definitely one of the stronger ones. Microsoft was super strong as well. If you look at the levels I gave in the pre-market, Microsoft also was an MTF long. So you see that they're breaking the MTFs and never broke 512s all day long. And you can see that there's an opportunity. Microsoft is breaking out of the pivots I gave 420, 421, 8. Today, definitely the money was flowing into Mag 7. That's why SPY was strong. Microsoft was leading. Amazon was leading. So the money was rotating back into the Magnificent 7 today. Google was MTF bounces. You could long here on the MTF pullbacks. So this was the market today. Definitely not a cleanest action apart from Amazon and Microsoft, but you could clearly see that Magnificent 7 are getting the flow. So that's how you identify the system. If you want to long, you'd long the morning push, you wait for the pullbacks, you add this 512 calls, just all repeatable setups.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.